Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which GP internet pack is active and its expiry so you don't cancel the wrong plan. Open the GP app or dial the provider UST code and view active bundles. Write down the pack name and expiry. Once done, make sure you have a small balance for the transaction and your phone can make calls. You will now use the app, UST menu, or customer care to start the actual unsubscribe flow. Don't skip noting the pack details. You follow the specific unsubscribe path next. In the GP app, go to Bundles, select the active internet pack, and tap Unsubscribe, confirm when prompted. If using UST, navigate the bundle menu to your pack and choose the unsubscribe number. Press Send. Once done, confirm the choice when the prompt appears. If menus fail, call 121 and tell the agent you want to cancel the named pack. Give the pack name and your MSystem to speed resolution. You finish by watching for an SMS that confirms the pack cancellation, and then checking the GP app or UST bundle list to ensure it's gone. Once confirmed, restart your phone and test mobile data to verify the pack no longer provides access. If charges still occur or you never receive confirmation, retry the unsubscribe flow and then escalate to 121 with timestamps and screenshots. Make sure to ask for a reference number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.